Dialogue. And the lion's blood is
here. Igbo Area TV on Ndigbo.
Hello, my wonderful viewers. How are you doing? Please hit the subscribe button and let's go there. Nnamdi Kanu to drop Biafra Agitation. Yes, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has finally promised to drop the agitation for Biafra freedom, but on one condition. What is that condition? He said if only President Buhari, whom he insisted was cloned, could address 20 different Nigerian youths in Fulfude, that is the native language of the Re Buhari, Fulani, said he will apologize quickly, give up Biafra agitation and surrender for prosecution. Yes, Kanu claimed he was convinced that Nigerians were being deceived on the truth over the whereabouts of their president. He said plainly that he is no longer asking for DNA tests, that he will stake Biafra and his life if the man in Aso Rock is Buhari. If only he can pass the test of interacting with some Nigerian youths in Fulfude native language, the language of the Fulani, talking and answering their question, then he will apologize and give up Biafra. Igbos resolved to work together for 2023, says Okorocha. This is what a section of Igbos shares, though I think we have more people among those seeking Biafra. So understand that though the following may not represent the general interest of Ndigbo, but as the media, we have to do our work of sharing information. So, like we said, former governor of Imo State, Rochas Okorocha, has made it known that the political leaders in southeastern Nigeria, that's the eastern region, have come together to work for the interests of Ndigbo. You know Rochas as usual now. And Nigeria coming, that the next towards the election that is coming 2023 and beyond. Okorocha announced this. Igbo leaders have also taken a decision to guide and empower the youths, to prepare and empower them to better handle the challenges of the time in readiness of taking over from them. Imagine. Okay. Speaking to journalists in Enugu at the weekend on the sideline of the Southeast Leaders meeting in aftermath of the nationwide violent demonstration by youths, he said that the EndSARS protest, which was later hijacked by hoodlums with a different motive, was a wake-up call for Igbos and Nigerian leaders to rise up to their responsibilities to the people and the youth in particular. Okorocha went on to call for the unity and peace in Igbo land, and as Nigeria as a whole. He reassured youths that there will be corrections to some of the things perceived as wrongdoing. Now, still on zoo politics. Yes, this is zoo politics. Anambra 2021, PDP pledges bulk votes for APGA. Okay, a former chieftain of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, in Anambra State, Chief Frank Orayaki, has assured the ruling All Progressive Grand Alliance, APGA, in the state of bulk votes in his ward ahead of 2021 governorship election. Oreki, who dumped his party to join APGA, said he will make sure APGA doesn't lose single vote during any election in the entire ward of his town, whether presidency, governorship, House of Assembly, House of Representative, and Senate level. Well, all of them are the same. The former Chief Judge of Anambra State, Justice Peter Umadi, applauded his courage in quitting his party, urging him to pull his resources together to ensure victory for APGA. Also speaking, a lawmaker in the State House of Assembly, Ejike Okechukwu, described Oreki as a big fish whose presence would attract huge votes to the party. You understand what is big fish? Big fish, yeah, nukwazu. When you catch this one, your net might break. Well, that is it. These politicians are prostitutes, switching from one party to the other. It's not hard for them. Tomorrow, they are talking with different side of the mouth. Tomorrow, we tell you, oh, APGA is this, APGA is this. If I know, that is what we see in zoo politics. Meanwhile, our next minister's son in Nigeria was arrested for robbery at a bureau de change. Yes. The police has reportedly arrested the son of an ex-minister over an alleged robbery attempt at an Abuja Bureau de Change. And the suspect is the son of a former minister of Benue State and is in detention as we speak. Is in detention and is going to wait upon the investigation is concluded to know what actually went. Though the FCT Police Command is yet to release an official statement on the alleged robbery, reliable sources from the corner was asked if the ex-minister reported his son act to the security agencies. He simply said, "I am not aware." So the ex-minister's son risks a 21 years imprisonment if convicted on line with Section 1, Subsection 2, A and B of the Robbery and Firearms Act. Oh, he carried gun go. But attempted robbery under the same law attracted 14 years in jail. This is the son of an ex-minister. Does it mean the money his father stole into politics has finished or what? What is the problem? You know, I understand how Nigeria politics goes. Most people are not going there to work. They are going there because of their pockets. So I'm wondering, why would this guy have to rob the one his father downloaded from the treasury? Has it finished? Meanwhile, viewers, please add your opinions on this matter. Your contribution is very welcomed. Please don't fail to subscribe to our channel. Also click on the bell icon to get our updates anytime we drop. Bye for now.
The Youth Association of Anambra South has seen the somewhat viral video of one Adeyinka Grandson, a notorious UK-based Nigerian of Yoruba extraction, wherein he issued a threat, an ultimatum to the Igbo nation living in Yoruba land to within 48 hours leave the Yoruba land or face dire consequences. The said video was released on the 23rd of October 2020. He also called on the Yoruba nation to use any force necessary to force the Igbos out should they not adhere to his ultimatum. This is not the first time this said Adeyinka is threatening the Igbos and inciting violence through hate speech. Given the security volatility of our great nation at the moment, we are taking that threat seriously. And we wish to call on the federal government and all security agencies to, through Interpol, arrest, extradite, and prosecute this individual for the offense of hate speech as provided in our national laws. We also hereby call on our elders, political leaders and traditional leaders, both of Igbo and Yoruba extractions, to call this rascal to order immediately. In the recent times, the youth of our great nation have risen above the tribal divides to champion a common cause, and we will not allow one irresponsible individual that is hiding in UK to incite us against each other. We hereby call on our Yoruba brothers and sisters to discountenance that unreasonable call for violence and maintain the unity with which we have struggled for good governance in the recent events. We also call on our ever hardworking Igbo brothers and sisters all over the nation to keep being law-abiding and go about their normal businesses without any fear. God bless Nigeria. Thank you.
Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.